Welcome to Product Critique, the place where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're diving into what we confidently call the best heat gun with adjustable temperature and digital control, the Makita HG6530VK Variable Temperature Heat Gun Kit. If you're a professional who works with wraps, paint removal, adhesives, or plastic bending, or even a DIYer needing a reliable tool for home repairs, this is the heat gun you want to know about. The Makita HG6530VK is all about control, power, and precision. Let's start with its standout feature, the push-button temperature control. This gun offers a wide temperature range from 122 to 1202 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for everything from gentle heating to high-intensity stripping. The adjustment happens in 50-degree increments, making it one of the most finely tunable heat guns available in its class. Now combine that with the onboard LCD display. You get real-time visibility into your current temperature setting, ensuring accuracy whether you're thawing pipes, loosening putty, or applying window tint. No more guessing. You know exactly what level of heat you're working with. Next up, airflow control. The HG6530VK has a 3-speed slide switch, cool, low, and high, that lets you adapt to different tasks and materials. This means you get both temperature and airflow customization for complete control over your work surface. At just 2 pounds, this heat gun is compact but powerful. The rubberized pistol grip makes it comfortable to handle for long periods, and it also features an integrated rear stand for hands-free operation. Whether you're in the middle of a delicate craft project or powering through thick paint layers, this ergonomic design really shines. And let's talk durability. This heat gun is built with Makita's signature quality, sturdy, balanced, and reliable. It comes in a hard case kit, perfect for protecting your investment and storing the accessories that come with it. What really sets this apart is the variety of uses it covers. Vehicle wraps, paint and varnish stripping, pipe thawing, sticker removal, waxing, remelting adhesives, and even bending PVC pipes, all covered. It's a true all-rounder for any workshop or job site. One important note: this unit is designed for 120 volts outlets. If you're using it outside the United States, you may need a voltage converter. But as long as you're set up properly, it performs flawlessly. All in all, the Makita HG6530VK isn't just a heat gun. It's a precision tool, a time saver, and a problem solver packed into a lightweight and rugged design. With its powerful adjustable heat, intelligent features, and versatile functionality, it earns its place as the best digital heat gun on the market right now. If you're serious about performance and flexibility, this is the one to get. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth product breakdowns. See you in the next one.